Service in Topeka has issued a flash flood warning for northern Dickinson County in central Kansas, northwestern Geary County, southwestern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, southern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, until 10:45 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Manhattan on the Kansas State campus is experiencing flooding. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by Emergency Management reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Manhattan, Junction City, Abilene, Ogden, Grandview Plaza, Chapman, Solomon, Enterprise, Milford Lake, Moonlight, and Heath. This includes Interstate 70 between markers 267 and 307. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A severe